Are you looking for a safe and effective way to regain thicker, fuller hair? Let's talk about a groundbreaking treatment called Regenera Activa. Sometimes our hair follicles need a little help to thrive. This common condition, known as androgenetic alopecia, affects both men and women. It's driven by a hormone called testosterone, which can transform into another hormone called DHT. Imagine your hair follicles as a grass field. Usually, water flows abundantly through a garden hose, nourishing the grass and helping it grow thick and green. However, with androgenetic alopecia, think of DHT as a blockage in the hose. As a result, the grass begins to wither and eventually stops growing. Similarly, DHT affects your hair follicles, leading to thinner and less vibrant hair over time. This hormonal effect can cause the hair to thin or fall out, particularly in certain areas of the scalp, leading to what many refer to as male or female pattern baldness. Regenera technology uses your own tissue cells to rejuvenate these hair follicles. It's a fast, simple, and non-invasive procedure where small samples from your scalp are used to create a powerful solution to restore the hair follicle's natural life cycle. This solution is gently injected into the areas of thinning hair. It's completely derived from your own body, making it safe and highly compatible. Just one session can significantly boost hair thickness and density, with most patients seeing noticeable improvements in just 3 months. Plus, it's comforting to know that 91% of patients are satisfied with their results. Interested in learning more? Speak to your doctor today and see if Regenera Activa is right for you. It's time to bring back healthy, full hair with a natural, effective treatment.